makeup's done, and now I am going to get ready to pack up everything in my car and head to the main location. Try to pick locations that are pretty public, not too crowded, but crowded enough to where I'm not by myself and like secluded, and also a place that has a changing room so that I can change into my various outfits for the day. So I'm getting ready to pack up my car, and we're about to get this thing rolling. So I had to make a pit stop. I came into here in CVS to grab me some water and to grab me some press-on nails because mine have like completely fallen off. So I'm gonna put my nails on in the car. I'm kind of like going through this phase where I'm not pressed to get my nails done just yet, only because it's expensive and it's hard to do a lot of natural hairstyles with long nails, and the luxury of having press-ons is that I could take them on and off and switch them up however much I like. So I prefer it that way. So I'm in the car. Grab me some Fiji water. I'm so thirsty. So it's like super sunny here in Ohio, but it's literally, it's like 30 degrees, so it's like cold. I can't wait to move down south into sunny weather, warm weather, 24/7. Whew, I was parched. So I picked up these really cute nails. Y'all know I'm a Kiss girl. I be repping Kiss. So I got the medium French acrylic set, and then I got the classy collection. It's kind of like a pink nude color. I think I'm gonna go with the French. Can't go wrong with French. French just goes with everything. The girls that get it, the girls that don't just don't, or whatever they say. So I tried this other brand. I think it's called Impress Nails. I like their collection and I like the styles that they have, but I do not like the stick-on stickers that they put on the back, because one sudden movement, they're like just flying everywhere. So I prefer glue. That's just my thing. I'm just going to basically do my nails in the car. I have an idea of where I want to go. I'm gonna try, there's this park downtown. I live really close to downtown, so it's only gonna take me like 10 minutes to get there. It's going on 4 o'clock. I'm getting natural sunlight because it's still sunny, but I wanted to kind of shoot closer to that 6, 7 o'clock to get that golden hour glow that I like. So we're perfect. We're perfect on time. Like, we're really good on time. First, I was kind of nervous because I was like, oh my gosh, I said I was going to be out the house by 1, but no. I had other stuff to do. I had laundry, all types of other things to do that kind of, ooh, girl, look at that. Yes. So I'm about to put these on real quick and I'll show you when I'm done. All right, I'm done. Here's my nails. Literally 5 minutes, full set. So now I'm getting ready to head to the location so that I can shoot and bring you along with me. All right, so I've made it to my first location. I chose to go with a more brown, kind of like neutral tone building because of what I'm wearing. Nothing too bright. I had to kind of drive around a little bit to find an area that actually had some natural light hitting the building, and I found it. So let's get this going. It's not super busy on the street. There's a parking garage that I can go up to. There's steps and everything. So we're gonna give it a shot. I can't show you all the goodness. You have to wait until they get finished. So I've already changed into my second outfit, and I put my hair up in a bun, and I found this spot. The light is shining directly on it, and it's next to a parking garage, so I think I could do like 2 locations in one. So I'm going to try that out. I'm gonna show y'all from the car. So that spot, it'll be nice for what I have on, and then this parking garage that's up here is really nice, and I can get some shots on the inside. So I'm gonna try this out a little bit. Got blue jeans, got some heels. So look how neat this is, and then there's stairs over there that will look really good. So it is actually day 2 of me shooting or batch content creating. Yesterday I was able to do 2 looks before it got too dark. So today I am with my sisters, my friends, and we're actually going to grab something to eat real quick. We already shot our first looks of the day downtown, and we came to another location that has some beautiful scenery, and the restaurant inside actually is photographable, if that's a word. So we're going to check it out and see. So we just finished wrapping up the second half of our shoot. It's so cold, it's starting to get dark, and I took some pictures of my friend Mimi, and I'm ready to get warm. I'll probably come back on when I finish editing templates that I'm going to send out for proposals for brands and show you how that process works. So it is 11:29. I think everybody's pretty much asleep, and I am up researching keywords, Google Trends, and things like that for my blog. I'm currently on a schedule of posting twice a week. I have a planner, and I'll show you what it looks like, how I try to keep myself organized and to write everything out that is supposed to be published for the month. I'll go by the quarter. So yeah, so this is how I'm spending my night, just prepping for more published blog contents that I need to do. I recorded a video today of my hair as well, and I posted it everywhere except for Pinterest, so I'm actually going to work on that too. So this is Google Trends. This is where I go in and type in the keyword phrases that I have in mind of what I want to write my blog post on, and kind of see what time of the year and if what I want to blog about is relevant. So for example, let's do how to dress for spring, since it's springtime or getting ready to be spring. So this shows me the trend, what it's like, what it's going to see, and this is about all the data they have for the next 12 months. So this is kind of like how I find my keyword research for my blogs. And then I also use Adobe Stock to go through and try to find stock photos for my blog as well. I usually do the royalty-free stocks, but since I have a subscription, there is sometimes where I get paid licenses in order to use them for my blog posts and Pinterest pins as well. So I like using this. It's a great resource. So that's pretty much just a little bit of what I do to prep for my blog posts. I actually have a blog planner that I use. I downloaded this one from Cassie Scroggins. I think that's how you say your name. It's very easy. I think I only paid like $9 for it, and it's so detailed. I mean, you have your quarter goals, your monthly content calendars, blog post ideas. They have it to where you can write your content pillars, so you can kind of niche down and narrow your keywords, your outlines for your post. your income, expenses to operate your posts. It's really good for tax purposes too. Yeah, all that good stuff, all my affiliate information with Amazon and things like that. And then I just have notebooks that I write all my ideas, any ideas that come to mind. I have multiple notebooks of information. And aside from that, I pretty much just do like continuing education, blogging courses, Pinterest courses that I've invested in that I'll study up on as I'm creating content. So that's pretty much how I'm gonna spend my night. Just pretty much get my blog outline done, and I've done my keyword research, so all I gotta do is just write it, and then it'll be published for tomorrow. And I think that's it. You've been with me on my photo shoots, my content day, how I shoot for that, showing you the process of actually trying to map out my blog posts and everything like that. That's pretty much it. So I do all of this in the middle of being a mom and a wife. So like I said, it's 11. So sometimes I'll pull all-nighters and I'll stay up, or I try to get things done during nap time before I have to cook dinner and things like that. So just kind of depends. Today was pretty chill flowing day. So I got some content done and able to research my analytics and study like what I need to improve and things like that. So it's been a good day. Thanks for tuning in to my video. And if you like this type of content, just let me know in the comments. Just like, subscribe, and I'll be sure to take you along more of my day-to-day operations as a full-time creator blogger. So I'll see you next time. Bye.